Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin.
Emma, we are here. Welcome to Rome.
Oh my goodness, we are really in Rome.
Yes, we are really here. How do you feel?
I feel so excited and a little nervous.
Don't worry, I know this city well. I will show you everything.
Thank you, Mark. I am so happy.
Me too. Let's get our bags first.
Okay, then what?
Then we go to our hotel. It is in the city center.
The city center. That sounds nice.
It is very nice. You will love it.
I am sure I will. Let's go.
Look out the window, Emma. This is Rome.
Oh, it is so beautiful. The buildings are old.
Yes, many buildings here are very, very old. Some are thousands of years old.
Thousands of years? Really?
Yes, really, Rome is a very old city.
That is amazing.
People call Rome the Eternal City.
The Eternal City. What does eternal mean?
It means forever. Rome is the city that lives forever.
Oh, I see. I like that.
Many people love Rome. I think you will love it too.
I already love it. And we just arrived.
That is good. Wait until you see the real city.
I cannot wait.
Here we are. This is our hotel.
Oh, it is lovely. It looks old but beautiful.
Yes, many hotels in Rome look like this. Old outside, comfortable inside.
I like that. Can we see our room?
Of course. Let's check in first.
Okay, then what do we do?
Then we go out. I want to show you the Colosseum today.
The Colosseum. I saw pictures of it. It is huge.
Yes, it is very big and very old. It is almost 2,000 years old.
2,000 years? That is hard to believe.
I know, but it is true. You will see it with your own eyes.
I am so excited. Let's hurry.
Okay, but first, let's put our bags in the room.
Right, yes. Sorry. I am just so excited.
I know. I was the same when I came here the first time. Emma, we walk from here. The Colosseum is not far.
Great. I like walking. I can see the city.
Yes, walking is the best way to see Rome.
Mark, what is that building over there?
That is a very old church. It is called a basilica.
A basilica. It is very big.
Rome has many churches, big ones and small ones.
And they are all old.
Most of them, yes, some are 500 years old, some are even older.
Wow, everything here is so old.
That is why people love Rome. History is everywhere.
I feel like I am in a movie.
Many movies were made here. Rome is very popular in films.
Really? Which movies?
Oh, many famous ones, but I will tell you later. Look, we are almost there.
Oh, I can see it. I can see the Colosseum.
Yes, there it is.
Oh my, it is so big. The pictures did not show how big it really is.
I know. You have to see it in real life to understand.
Mark, tell me about the Colosseum. What happened here?
A long time ago, people came here to watch games and fights.
Fights? What kind of fights?
Gladiator fights. Gladiators were fighters, very strong men.
Oh, and people watched.
Yes, thousands of people. This place could hold 50,000 people.
50,000. That is like a modern sports stadium.
Exactly. It was the stadium of ancient Rome.
Incredible. I never thought about it that way.
Many things in Rome are surprising when you learn about them.
I want to learn everything.
We have 1 week. I will tell you something new every day.
I love that idea. Okay, can we go inside?
Yes, I have the tickets already.
You planned everything.
Of course, that is my job today. I am your tour guide.
Ha, a very good tour guide. It is amazing inside. I can see all the different levels.
Yes, the rich people sat at the top. The important people sat near the bottom.
Interesting. So even then, rich and poor people were separated?
Yes, some things do not change.
That is true. Mark, is it sad? All those fights happened here.
Yes, it is a little sad, but it is also a part of history. We learn from it.
You are right. We learn from history.
That is why places like this are important.
I understand now. I am glad we came here.
Me too. Are you getting tired?
A little, but I don't want to stop.
We can rest for a moment, then we continue.
Okay, let's sit here for a minute.
Good idea. And I can tell you about our next stop.
Oh, there is more.
Emma, Rome is a big city. There is always more.
Okay, tell me, where do we go next?
After this, we go to the Trevi Fountain.
The Trevi Fountain. I know that one. You throw a coin and make a wish.
That is right. Have you got a coin?
Let me check. Oh, I only have paper money, no coins.
Don't worry, I have coins.
Oh, good. Wait, where's my bag?
What?
My bag. I put it down when we sat. Where is it?
Emma, look behind you.
Oh, it is right here. I didn't see it. I was so worried for a second.
You are okay. The bag is right there.
I was so scared. My passport is in that bag.
Always keep your bag close in a busy city.
Yes, I know. I will be more careful. Thank you, Mark.
It is fine. Everything is okay. Are you ready to go?
Yes, and I will hold my bag tightly this time.
Good. Let's go to the fountain.
Oh, Mark, it is beautiful.
I knew you would say that.
It is huge. And the water. It is so blue.
The fountain is very famous. People come from all over the world to see it.
I can see why. Look at all the people here.
Yes, it is always busy, but it is still beautiful.
The statues on the fountain are incredible. Who made them?
Many different artists worked on it. It took a long time to build.
I can see the work in every detail.
Are you ready to make your wish?
Yes, give me a coin.
Here you go.
Okay, I am closing my eyes. I am making my wish.
Don't tell me what it is.
I know. Okay, here goes.
Good throw.
Thank you. Did you make a wish too?
I already did, before you.
Oh, what did you wish for?
I cannot tell you. That is the rule.
Okay, I respect the rule, but I hope your wish comes true.
I hope yours does too. You must be hungry now.
Very hungry. All that walking.
Good. I know a nice restaurant near here. Very simple, very good food.
Italian food in Italy. That sounds perfect.
It is the best. Come, it is just around the corner.
Okay, what should I try?
In Rome, you must try pasta and pizza, but the Roman pizza is different.
Different how?
It is thin and crispy, not thick like in other places.
I like thin pizza. That sounds good.
And for pasta, try cacio e pepe. It is a Roman pasta dish.
Cacio e pepe. How do you say that again?
Cacio e pepe.
Cacio e pepe. Okay, I will try it.
You will love it. It is simple, but very delicious.
Simple and delicious. Like this trip.
Yes, exactly like this trip.
Mark, today was perfect. I don't have words.
You don't need words. Your face says everything.
Is it obvious how happy I am?
Very obvious. You have been smiling all day.
I have. I really have. Rome is, I don't know. It is magical.
Yes, that is the right word. Magical.
Thank you for bringing me here and for showing me everything.
It was my pleasure. I enjoyed it too. It is different when you come with someone new.
Different how?
You see things again for the first time. Through your eyes, everything is fresh.
Oh, that is a beautiful way to say it.
Rome does that to you. It makes you think.
And feel. I felt so many things today.
Tomorrow we go to the Vatican. Are you ready?
The Vatican. Of course I am ready. But now I need to sleep.
Yes, sleep well, Emma. We have a big day tomorrow.
Good night, Mark, and thank you for everything.
Good night, Emma. Sweet dreams.
I am sure they will be sweet. I am in Rome after all. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.